So after 8 years of filming weddings, I'm about to do something today that I've never done before. I'm about to walk into a house and surprise a bride that I'm filming their wedding today. Stay tuned.
Sara.
No! What are you doing?
Is today the day?
I'm gonna hug you. Put that down.
Aww.
Alex, hi.
Oh my god, hi.
It takes about 2 seconds to know this thing about Sara, and that is, this girl loves love.
When I first met them, I was so impressed by Sara. She intimidated the crap out of me. She was so talented, so driven, and so loving and thoughtful.
She'll show you what love is because she's got the biggest heart, the most to give.
I never spent a lot of time thinking about the future before I met you. I watched you take an idea in your head, quit your day job, and become the best wedding planner in Philadelphia. You pulled me out of my parents' basement and gave me the confidence to pursue my dream career, and have always let me take risks and follow my passion wherever they may lead.
To see the person that you've become. Seriously, man, you've created a family, you're an entrepreneur, you're such an inspiration to me, dude. And I respect you so much, and I know that so much of that is in part to Sara.
You guys grow together in just such a beautiful way.
They are the definition of love, and how every relationship should be through the good times and the bad.
You look beautiful.
I'm so excited.
I've seen you guys go through so much with Millie, with Brady, and you just come out stronger every time. You guys feel like home to me. You're just two of my favorite people on earth.
It's crazy to think that if I didn't write a movie about a kid in a stupid cardboard robot costume, I never would have met you. I have to shout out Andy G, the most life-changing music supervisor of all time.
So,
She's making me cry.
when we moved in together, we decided we called each stage of our relationships an object. So we were in toothbrush when he brought his toothbrush to my house. We were in shelf when he bought me a shelf for the apartment I moved into, knowing he was going to move into. And then when we got keys, he got this puppy key. And he was like, now we're in puppy key. And he said, now we're in ring and baby and everything good. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Great, let's roll, band.
I can't believe it was 5 years ago when I first left my toothbrush in your apartment on South Street. We have grown up so much since then. I know Brady came into our lives a little sooner than we thought, but I'm so glad we went to the zoo and drank way too many margaritas that one time.
Thank you for telling everyone.
He's the best thing that ever happened to us, and I'm so proud of the both of you.
Then when I thought my heart could not love you anymore, Brady came. Hearing your shaking voice say he's perfect when you saw him first, and watching you with him every day since has been the light of my life.
Last year was really, really hard, but We survived and came out of it better than ever. It took a while, and I wasn't sure if it would ever happen, but we are finally getting married. We've both been to a lot of weddings, and I've seen and shot a lot of brides, but seeing you walk down the aisle just now was one of the most amazing moments of my life. This is crazy, yes! You look amazing.
You look really good. This is our wedding.
I know.
I don't even know what to do. I'm just like, hey.
I think we're supposed to. I just can't stop staring at you. It's real. You look fucking insane. You look awesome.
Ryan, holy crap, we're actually finally getting married. I wanted to ease into my vows by saying you drive me absolutely crazy. With every little thing you do that drives me nuts, I'm met with about triple that I so intensely adore. I always knew we'd end up here. I stand here today the happiest I have ever been in my life, and I vow to have a billion more happy days together as a family. Differently today, and this is a Quaker ceremony. We learned this from our dear friends Merce and John, who are shooting the wedding today for us and are the best humans. Essentially, we're marrying ourselves, because in Pennsylvania you can do that. So, oh wait, Ryan, do you want to be my husband?
I do. Do you want to be my wife?
I do! Ryan, I love you so much. I love the home and family we've created, and I'm so stoked to finally be your wife.